Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on TrueFi. As in my previous videos of TrueFi, I've been showing you that it broke out a very big down channel on a 7 days time frame chart, and after that, it also broke out another very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this channel and this Ichimoku bearish cloud, you can see that the price line is rejected recently here, almost 2 weeks ago, by this quite long-term resistance of 20 cents. And after that, it is retesting the previous resistance of the Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And at the same time, you can see that it also formed this very huge double bottom pattern as well at this quite long-term support of 2.65 cents. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Dago Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared the signal on 5th of March 2024. And you can also want the complete trades as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first it dropped down and to the buying zone. Then we had a very nice reversal. Now let me take you to the live chart of TrueFi. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that since after the month of August 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump. That was, by the way, from here up till this high, more than 443% pump, but the price and got rejected by this quite long-term resistance that we had here at 14.7 cents that had been previously working as a support here, and now it worked as a very strong resistance here for several weeks, and it again dropped down here at this support of 2.65 cents. You can see that we tested the support here, and it also formed a very huge double bottom pattern as well. This was the first bottom, this was the second bottom, and after this formation of the double bottom, especially after the formation of the second bottom, the price line pumped very well. And this is another very nice pump from this low to this high. You can see that it pumped almost 640%, but got rejected by this next long-term resistance of 20 cents, and also broke down this support of 14.7 cents. And now it is also breaking down this support of 11.5 cents. In fact, at the same time, it was trying to break out these two resistance levels. One was here at 14.7 cents, and the next resistance was here at 20 cents. And after the rejection, the price then dropped down, and now it is breaking down this support, in fact, that is here at 11.5 cents. So we did not break it out, this resistance of 14.7 cents. That was also breaking as a very strong resistance here back in the month of Feb 2023. Therefore, now we need to break out these three resistance levels. One is this one, 11.5 cents, then 14.7 cents, and then we will need to break out this resistance of 20 cents as well. By the way, here we have a quite steep up trend line support here as well. You can see that we have so many touch points at this trend line. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then it will be more visible to you. And you can see that we have a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now the pricing again about to test this uptrend line support. Therefore, not to hit this next support, long-term support of 7 cents, first we will need to break down this long-term uptrend line support, and then it can test this long-term support of 7 cents. At the same time, you can see that it is also retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. That was a quite long-term resistance. You can see that we got rejection by this resistance here for several weeks. Then we got several rejections here as well, and here, and now this resistance is broken out, and it can now break as a nice support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that in fact the price line is bounced from this support of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Therefore, it will be also difficult for the price line to break down this uptrend line support as well, because we have the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well here at the same level. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for this huge breakout from this big down channel breakout that is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $1.10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.